Adding a user in Bitlog. Go to Configuration, select Users, Add User, enter your name, select the username, enter your email, and if you do not have an email address, you can leave this blank and a login name will be generated instead. Choose a password and confirm the password. The default picking site will be selected, and if the user will operate at a different site, you can change it here. Press Assign Role to give the user rights and permissions, and this person will use the web portal as an admin, and also the mobile client as an admin. Press Create, and the user will be created. And to give you an example of a user that has been created without an email, we can see on this one that the login name has been created with the username, and afterwards is the company. By pressing the tab Roles and Permissions, we can get an overview of the current roles. We can edit roles, and we can also create custom roles.